Good evening, Mr. Tarun.
Good evening, sir.
Hi, how are you?
Oh, fine, fine, fine.
Great. So, first of all, congratulations on passing the PMP certification exam with above target score. And
Yeah, sir. Thank you so
great,
much, sir.
welcome. Great. So, Mr. Tarun is working as a senior lead planning engineer with uh, Hamad Airport expansion project. And he did the training with us during Eid, isn't it? We did
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
training during the Eid, and now like 3-4 months, he did a thorough preparation and he passed the examination last week with the above target score. So let's hear from Tarun about his success journey, how he achieved this, good score in PMP certification. So Tarun, can we start with your preparation? How you did your preparation for
So
the
first
exam?
of all, sir, it was a great pleasure being trained by you, and I have learned a lot in terms of project management skills and knowledge, which were very useful for the PMP examination.
Thank you.
So let me explain briefly. I had attended the training in 2018, but I
Mhm.
was not in the right path to go forward. I lacked the dedication in between due to some personal issues and busy schedule at work. I didn't get the time to attend the PMB examination, even though I was continuously in touch with the subject. So from your training, I got a good platform to follow the steps and procedures. Every day, I used to spend 1 hour for reading and 1 hour for mock exam. I have
Mhm.
given more dedication and attention to understand the concepts of the subject. I read LMS completely one time and student manual one time and went through the slides what you present in the training time. After that, I focused on understanding the idea of the agile process, people, and business environment, and check how it flows. And you remember, I had purchased the PMI study hall product. It
Mhm.
helped me a lot. I
Okay.
have attended all the mock exams and quick sessions from the study hall.
Study hall.
Lot of similar types of questions that were asked from the study hall came
Mhm.
for the examination. Last
Okay.
3 days before exam, I refreshed all the lessons, and the day before the exam day, I attended one mock-up on the day of the examination, and I went fully rested and with a fresh minded. This was my experience,
Very
and
good. So yeah. So very, very good to know. Like you did a very intense preparation, for the PMP certification. You spend like an hour a day at least in going through the materials, watching the video, practicing questions, and also used study hall. And you felt like many questions in the real exam are similar to study hall questions.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. So
Lot of questions came from study hall.
study hall.
Yeah, it helped me a lot.
Okay, great. So that's your preparation. Now let's go on to the exam. How was the real examination?
I had noticed that the 80% of the questions that were asked for a hybrid and agile, and 20% was from predictive, that contains the risk, quality management. The most of the questions that were asked in situational based. I
Mhm.
also noticed that there were no questions related to tools and techniques, output and input, what we prepared in the during
Process
the
side.
process. Yeah. Another point to keep in mind is that all questions have been answered from the project manager's point of view. This
Mhm.
is a very uh, challenging factor. We need to focus on the examinations.
Mhm. So most of the questions
Uh,
in the real exam, you have to answer as a project manager, what you
Manager,
will do in that situation.
correct,
Okay.
correct. And apart from this one, time is the most challenging factor during the examination. Practicing the question answers within the allotted time in Paramount. I would like
Mhm.
to take these opportunities to share my experience of the examination to attempt the first 60 questions. I took 85 minutes, and for
Mhm.
the next 60 questions, I took 80 minutes. So for the
Mhm.
last question, I hardly had 45 to 50 minutes to attempt the remaining 60 questions.
So
By
less
by
than
God,
1 minute per question.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Some by God grace, somehow I managed to attempt the last 60 questions within the time limit.
Mhm.
My advice is to anyone preparing for the examination is repeat the mock exams and learn
Mhm.
how to properly manage time through rigorous practices. Uh,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. You have only 1.2 or 1.3 minutes to for each questions. So you have to practice to manage all the questions within this time frame. This is
That is
the
very
most
important.
correct.
Okay, so what about like the questions what you practice before the exam? You told study hall questions are close to real exam questions. What about LMS questions? So we have like 3 mock exams. Have you felt like LMS questions are close, or what's your feedback on the LMS questions?
Yes, I did the 3 mock exams from the LMS and even the QS exams also. But I felt that mock 2 is more close to real examination. And the most of the questions I found even the same in the study hall as well.
Study hall as well. Okay, so what about the kind of question? Have you got any calculation based questions?
No. There is no any calculation. There was no any calculation based questions. Yeah.
So what about like, match the following or clicking on the graph or multiple correct answers questions?
There was a graph type of questions. The match the following also that was asked. So it was quite easy. The most of the questions came from risk and quality management for the match of the following.
Risk and quality management for match the following.
Yeah.
Right. So, during the training, we discussed about forming, storming, norming, like the team development stages. Have you got any questions from that particular area?
Yeah. The 3 questions that were asked from the team development, the form, the one of the questions I remember that is related to forming. The other one is related to norming stage. That was quite easy. So it was direct questions. We can able to find out easily.
Find the answer. Okay. So why I'm asking this is because, you mentioned like for you, it took like almost like 3 hours, 50 minutes, or you can say exactly 3 hours, 50 minutes to finish the examination. So some other participants, they said, okay, I had like 40 minutes left in the exam at the end and so on. So all the exams are not the same. As you correctly mentioned, sometimes the questions are lengthy. It will take time to read it, understand and answer.
The most of the questions was very lengthy, around 3-4 lines. That's why I would prefer to go through the study hall. This study hall is more similar to the real examination, 3-4 lines. This will get more time to manage how we can attempt the examinations.
Okay, and that's currently study hall is under like some kind of upgrade, so their students won't be able to purchase study hall. They, based on an inquiry, they mentioned by next month, that is December, study hall will be back and participants will be able to purchase again, just for information. Great, right? So now, as you mentioned, stakeholders, risk communications, there were more questions in the exam from those areas.
Yeah. Stakeholders and risk. There was a lot of questions came for the examination. Correct.
Okay, great. What will be your final recommendation? So to pass the PMP exam like you with above target score, what you think the future participants should do?
So my personal opinion, we need more attention and dedication for to read the LMS as well as the this study hall. This will get to know the concept of the subject. And apart from this one, we need to do the mock exams repeatedly, either 2 or 3 mock exams to be attended. This will give the clear picture, and we need to understand the steps and procedures, and we need to focus the ideas of the all the areas, especially agile process and people and business environment, how it is flows. This will help a lot to get past.
Very good. Great. So hope I'm sure like this debrief will help all the future exam takers to prepare in the right direction. And thank you very much for agreeing to provide this debrief on a busy day. And just you came from your office and you are spending time with us to debrief your experience. Thanks a lot. Have a good week ahead.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. See you. Bye.